You. Oh, you come inside as if you rape me.
I man have better taste than that. But come if it's a bumper.
Oh, so you are the Bubba Dread. We are this bumper for the white gal. Eh?
Blessed. Everything is everything, you know.
So how you get inside here?
The door was wide open, sister.
Well, close it on your way out now.
Yo. How you deal with Rasta, sir?
Oh, you want me to deal with you? Poor Kita.
Pork. You mentioned that in front of the Ras. Rasta no deal with them things there.
Me see up on my friend video. I eat our pork. You can imagine when I send that the video got Jamaica. I see the Bubba Dread and yam pussy. Figure trim.
Fireburn from Babylon. You was wicked for do that to Rasta. I did not eat that ranking meat. I was unconscious.
Unconscious? So how you know say it ranked?
Yeah.
Aye, tell me something. Why is it that Russ like you always affair there with a white woman over a black woman? What them have?
Katrina.
What?
That's my wife's name, Katrina.
Whatever. You see me a half Chinese. But I love my black man. Because only them can walk this your body out. So tell me, Bobo, why is it that a ras like you always affair there with a white woman over a black woman? Why?
It not have nothing to do with color. It have to do with spirituality. You see, white women just more revolve, more intelligent. I mean, you check the black woman passage through the history of time. Always planning the black man downfall with a constant bickering and a suffering and a greed. Them is like parasite.
You don't talk, batty boy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Michelle, and if you're watching me for the first time, remember to like, share, subscribe and comment. In today's clip, we're going to talk about how it feels to be a Jamaican and how the world could have been boring without Jamaica. Let's watch the clip and come back for more discussion.
So I stand up there, wait upon a taxi. A madman see me and start run towards me with a knife. So I run.
Okay.
When me run, him take out a slingshot, take up a stone off of the ground and shot me in my back.
Oh, so you get a back shot. Okay. Then what happened after that?
No, squad it. Alright, hear me again.
Me I hear you, man. Me I hear you. My ears are work.
The man a run me down with the knife.
Yeah.
Him pull out a slingshot.
Yeah.
Take up a stone off of the ground.
Yeah.
Put in the slingshot.
Yeah.
And shot me in my back while I'm running.
So now that me I write down, man, say you get a back shot. I that me right, you know.
Yo, Scotty, you make the thing look away, Scotty.
Oh, me I make the thing look away.
Yeah, dog, you make the thing look freaky.
Oh, me I make the thing look freaky. How will you tell me I write down, you know?
I tell you, say, it's a slingshot.
Alright, so me ask you a question. How where the man do?
Man shot me.
And how where him shot you?
In my back.
So when you put that together, where you get?
Shot back. What? You get shot back. When you put it together, you get shot back.
No, brother. No. I know so it go.
If you go in front of the judge will tell you say a back shot again. Charge you, that me I try show you no officer, you make it look like a bed man bend over. Hey yo, you take it to a place where me nah go there with you, you know. So here one, me I go call it in and make them tell you what to do. And that me I do, cause me nah go there with you. Wherever you go, me nah go there. Let me just call it in. No, me nobody want your help, officer. Me did it myself. Officer reporting. So me nobody want your help. Me I report a sexual assault in the half-a-tree area, you know. A man come to me and I tell me say a man run him down and give him a back shot.
Blood clot.
To the nearest hospital so they can check his vitals. Alright, copy that. Yo, me I forgot to take you to the nearest hospital, you know. Make them check your vitals if you have no STD. And...
Oi, sir. What time now? Elia, come in and blast the yard, man. You're the pan road, them I was. Out hard and not do nothing in a yard. Come in a yard, man.
How are the yard? Gathering?
No, man, a fashion ring.
Fashion ring, and that's why I can't sleep at night time.
Fashion ring.
The blood of Jesus against you. Let me move outside of you, yeah, boy.
Hey, give me map, man. I move for yourself, man. Move, you can't do nothing. A fool no know about. Move for yourself, because you wipe like a yard, pum. Yes, then I try to show you. Piss, shit, name, sleep and phone. That's all them pick me a good for. No help! I don't have no help around here, because there is no help to me. Morning, me one.
Easy. Bad man, you slap in your face with the boy.
Stop doing something, man. Look. No, put it on you. Me don't see for myself. Put it on you, make me see. Because all them expensive something there when me see you right. Blood clot. Girl mood me, my brother gonna away. Pussy clot, no. Yeah, me pick me and them say I love you unconditionally. But this is a serious unconditional. Put it on you again, make me see. Blood clot, what are you guys? Them gone down here so. Mama, poopa. Yo, don't do it. Do it again. Jesus Christ, girl, you look sad. Yo, don't you shoot them party? I saw for me, look. But me look better than you. And you're a young girl. For me product I use.
I be a girl like a papi. Brother, me used to make West Hollywood open all the way to like 4 o'clock. Yeah, Kiana Reeves, boom o'clock. Things. Hey, controller! I'm telling you something. Brother, I'll control your hey. I'm telling you this. Yeah.
I'm from Jamaica, so Jamaican parents just different. They tell you things and confuse your brain at the same time. You as a child, you be doing something like touch. Say you're touching something you're not supposed to touch, and you're touching it. She come in and see you touching. Hey! Stop touch that, no! And you stop. 5 minutes past, she gone, and you're back in the same room again, and you see it again. And as a child, you know, you do it. Sometimes you don't even know why you do shit. Just do it. She come in this time, but now she flipped the whole script on you. Because she come in and say, touch it again if you're bad.
You know, you don't know who it is, you know, you don't know who it is. Who is Russian. The best producer in Jamaica.
Yeah!
This is my voice 1 week in Jamaica.
This is my voice 2 week in Jamaica. Yeah, man.
I'm a voice this 3 months in Jamaica. Ja.
So, Steve, I don't tell that already, no dog. Yeah, man. I know the same thing you say. Brother, just because the picture come out with blonde hair, no means I'm my baby, no. Yo, I never tell that already, no dog. No, dog, I'm not foreigner there in Jamaica, you know. Me am not the only foreigner in Jamaica, you know. I 1 year me there, you know, brother. I 1 year me there. How long shall the picture for now? How long? 3 months shall the picture for now? You know the math, you know. Yeah, and then 12 months, you know. How months pregnant for 12 months, and I know my baby that's brother. I don't tell that already, no. The picture near 3 year old, that one. I know my baby that, you know. I'll be a jacket that I try to think for me, you know. Them girl, I'll be a sexy girl about, you know. I'll be a thing them want from me, you know.
We can have a Jamaican president? Nah, that might not work. It's not that I don't think Jamaicans are capable. I think you're very smart, very hard-working people. I just think you're very angry. And if we had a Jamaican president, we would have a new war every week. Every week, he'd be standing in front of the White House, just mad. Just what Rosa said? Rosa said something? Say it again, Rosa. Say it one more time. No, say it one more time. I'll match up your country. Say it again. Say it again. You don't see the button. You don't see the button. You don't. You don't want me push that button. You can't get on Air Jamaica talking about, hello, we are taking the plane. All you hear is, pussy wall, sit down. Talk about hijack your mother. They hit it with the pussy, you know me. Cause that's a word in Jamaica. Can't hijack no plane full of angry Jamaicans. If it's Jamaicans in here, I'm sorry. Y'all the angriest group of black people on the fucking planet. They will lick shot for every fucking thing. They the blue, 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 blue. Just simple shit. What you mean, what I want to drink? You want me shut up this whole bomber clad club, post the wall. You know me? I love them. I love them, but they angry. I don't understand it, man. And you from Jamaica. How the fuck are you so mad? I've been to Jamaica. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's great weather. You go to the beach. The water's blue. You know what I'm saying? You ever go to the beach in New York?
That me I tell you, brother. If you want my shoes in my you, me gear, make you go bust it on them. I pay them no man, no dog. If you want weed, me buy a pound of weed gear in the dog. Brother, if you want my girl, me gear my girl for fuck her, brother. They say it there. You feel a joke? You say you like? Watch her. Okay. You see that? Pussy fat, dog. Anytime you're ready for fuck my girl, make me know, dog. That's the support, that's me assure. Bro, and that is all I need. Only support. Yeah, that. Cause all the things set right now in the dog. My man is a bad man, but I be a bad man. Cutlass and a link in the dog. Nah, run left here now. That me I tell you, daddy, the thing different now, daddy. The man can ramp with you like how them usually.
Give me every blood clot, bumper ass clot, punani, pum pum, pussy clot, everything. Where say I do the right thing now?
So, oh, you say you're a thief and you don't even have no gun or knife or rob me nothing with. I say you just rob me unarmed. Yo, you're bait, you know. Yo, you're bigger bait than me, brother. I show your face them thumping. Cause where you do right now, no make no sense. I tell you, oh, look clap, joke,
come on, relax yourself, brother.
Just a come from the machine and be a fly them give me, just don't kill me for that, please. Me I beg you.
Phone, man.
Phone, just don't take my life, please. Me have 2 hands there, and me can't dead.
Relax yourself, man. Calm yourself. Me now make a deal with your hamster, man. Relax yourself, brethren. Respect for food, same way, you know. Yeah, man. Respect, see. Dog shit, boy, man. I should shit up your blood clot, sir.
An accident.
You're batting on a man has to blood clot.
Actually, you pull out the gun. You pull out the gun and frighten me. So that's why that happened.
Me nobody want to rob you.
I'm gonna keep it real with y'all tonight. I never said this one here, but this is the true story. You know what I learned about all West Indians? That y'all don't know each other's name at work. Like black and Spanish people, we know everybody at the job. I don't give a fuck if we keep the job for a week. We know every nigga at that job. The first day you get the job, you introduce yourself. You get there, you like, hey, I'm like, hey, I'm Rashid. Hey, Rashid, I'm Dave. Dave, nice to meet you. I'm Rashid. I'm Charles. Charles, my pleasure. I'm Rashid. I'm John. John, nice to meet you. West Indian. Y'all niggas call each other by the name of the job you do. Fellas, you ever work construction? You ever hear this shit? Carpenter. Call an electrician and tell him to blow my loaf out here. The guy at the job get died. The West Indian dude don't even know who died. You get to work the next day, your man John be like, Dave died. You like, Dave died? How the fuck Dave died? He said when y'all left, he was working on the window. He fell out the window. The police, the media, everybody was saying, you can't believe this shit. You like, what? You tell a Jamaican dude, you like, Winston, Dave, Dad, he keep on working. No, I'm sorry, I don't know no Dave. You like, nigga, Dave. Dave, that work with you every fucking day. Dave, fuck is you saying? You fell out the fucking window and died. You gonna fucking say you don't know Dave? What's wrong with you? This nigga keep right on working. Really? That's fucked up, you know. Nigga, that's all you gonna say is that's fucked up? Stupid idiot. Dave, your partner, the carpenter. Bombaclad! Carpenter dead! How the carpenter dead? You never say carpenter dead? You said deal. I don't know no deal. Carpenter me know. Can't go to work today, my own. Carpenter dead. Well, she said deal. I don't know no deal. Then the Jamaicans say some funny shit. They say some shit like, my heart hurting. My heart hurting me, you know. Your heart. Then they put the H where it don't belong. Yes, inside my body. My heart hurting. This shit is crazy. Is that life for me? Okay. I got a before I let.
Guys, welcome back once again. I hope you've watched the whole clip and I've seen how Jamaica has influenced many countries and many people. Jamaica is living a dream life for many people and many countries. Let's talk about Jamaican patois language. As you have seen in that comedy, people are laughing out loud when that comedian is speaking in patois language. People are laughing out loud, enjoying the language. As you all know, the Jamaican patois language is being practiced all over. Let's talk about the former President Obama, who was also practicing patois language, which shows how patois language is loved and being practiced by many people. Let's talk about Jamaican food. Jamaican food is practiced all over. There are people building restaurants all over the world which cook Jamaican food, which means Jamaican food is loved and practiced by people all over the world. As you all see in this clip, Jamaican is loved as a country. I mean, a lot of tourists are visiting Jamaica because Jamaica has beautiful sceneries, has things things that you can enjoy to do in Jamaica. So guys, if it was for the first time coming across this video, remember to like, share, subscribe and comment.